And he's gone. Welcome back. Alright, jelly cakes recipe. Let's just smash into it, eh? Alright, first of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Get yourself a square tin. Alright, a bit of butter in the bottom first and around the sides. Put your paper in, it holds it in beautifully. Have your square tin ready. Okay, in a big bowl, you want to sift 1.5 cups of S.A flour. Now, I'll write the recipe below as always for you guys. This is really easy and really yummy. Okay, in a smaller bowl, you want 125 grams of butter, but you want to leave it out until it's really, really soft. So depending on where you are in the world, if you're somewhere really cold, just put it near a heater somewhere until you can see it's really soft. We've got vanilla extract and we've got caster sugar in there. Now what we want to do is we want to beat it with the electric beater, only for a minute or so until it's all blended in properly. And then we've got 2 eggs. We want to beat one in at a time until you've beaten both eggs in. Okay, you want to put that mix into your flour. You want to add your 1/3 cup of milk and mix it all together. Right, once that's all mixed in, into the tin it goes. Alright, flatten it out as best as you can. Try and get it as even as you can. How simple is that, folks? We're already halfway there. Alrighty. Whack her in the oven. So while that's in the oven, we want to make our jelly up. I'm using strawberry jelly today to make the colour of it, but if you use like port wine jelly, I think it is, it'll go a beautiful purple. You can use green jelly and have green ones. You can do it however you want. Australia Day, do some green and some yellow, like it'd be awesome. Alright, so just go by the packet of your jelly crystals and make it up exactly how it says. Now you want to put it in the fridge, but we don't want it to set like proper jelly. We want it to set like egg whites. So if you get a couple of egg whites and you beat them, you know how it's sort of jelly but it's sort of runny and gooey and disgusting? That's exactly how we want it. So I'll show you as soon as it's done. So yeah, while that's cooking, do your jelly up. Oh yeah, yum, smells amazing. Alright, that is exactly 25 minutes that took. Now we want to leave it in the pan for 5. And then after 5, grab out your cooling rack, pull the whole thing out whole and put it on your cooling rack and let it go completely cold. Keep an eye on your jelly. Just stir it every 10 minutes in the fridge. That way you'll know exactly when it goes all gooey. Alright, cake's nice and cold. So we want to cut it now. You can cut it into however bigger pieces you want. It's totally up to you. I'll see how we go here. I'll cut it. I'll do 4 this way. I'll do 4 this way. Yeah, that's good in squares. Alright, so I did 4 and 4. You can do them smaller if you want, and you can definitely do them bigger. Alright, so now that the squares are ready to go, look at that, yum. In a bowl, we've got 3 cups of shredded coconut, alright, and get that ready to go. So it's taken just over an hour to get it to gooey egg stage. So you see it's still running, but it's like gooey egg. Can't explain it more than that. So it's not super runny, like I said, about an hour, but it's all gooey. It looks like you've just beaten up a heap of eggs in there. That's exactly how we want it. Alright, so we've got our squares ready and we've got our coconut ready. Now we need to get plates ready. So once we do these, we put them on plates and we put them in the fridge, covered in the fridge for half an hour. And then after that you can serve them up. A lot of people serve them up with cream. Kids just eat them as they are. Okay, so I want to do this so we can see. Already got that in there. Let's see there. Alright, so you get your first piece. You dip it in your gooey jelly. You can see that too. You dip it in your coconut. I like double dipping, so I'll dip half again. Yum! You can see that from there? Jelly cakes! And keep going. There we have it, my friends, jelly cakes. Awesome, isn't it? Alright, well, I wasn't happy with those, the first ones that I did in front of you. The coconut didn't stick very good. So if your coconut doesn't stick very well, put the jelly back in the fridge for 10 minutes and try it again. Alright, so I'll put it back in for 10 minutes, come out beautiful. Oh, they're awesome. Kids love them. You can muck around with them and have heaps of fun with them and do them all different colours. They're really a cool thing. They're a cool thing for kids' parties as well. Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. I will catch you all next week sometime. Bye.